In this video, I am going to share with you 10 tips to start and succeed in a tomato sauce business. We will provide you with all the essential information and step-by-step instructions to help you kickstart a successful tomato sauce venture. From selecting the right fruits to initial investment, packaging, marketing and distribution, and so much more, we've got you covered. This is Giant Africa, and we are back again to inspire, showcase ideas and opportunities, as well as share self-development skills. We believe when you succeed, we succeed too. I believe in you. The market opportunity for tomato sauce is significant and shows promising growth. The global tomato sauce market was valued at $20.7 billion in 2022 and is projected to reach $26 billion by 2030. The pasta sauce market, which includes tomato-based sauces, was valued at $9.9 billion in 2021 and is expected to reach $17.66 billion by 2029. In the United States, the pasta sauce market reached $2.4 billion in 2022 and is expected to reach $2.8 billion by 2028. These numbers indicate a growing demand for tomato sauce globally, driven by factors such as increasing disposable incomes, urbanization, and the popularity of pasta dishes. Additionally, there is a trend toward organic and gluten-free products, which presents an opportunity for tomato sauce manufacturers to cater to health-conscious consumers. Did you know, besides tomato sauce, there are over 10 other products you can process from tomatoes? And as a bonus, if you'd like to know more on how to process tomato into different products besides tomato sauce, stay tuned and I'll let you know how you can do this. The investment needed for a tomato sauce business can vary on factors such as the scale of operation, location, and equipment needed. The cost of machinery needed to start tomato sauce manufacturing can range between $2,500 and $60,000. The location required for a tomato sauce business can vary depending on factors such as the target market, availability of raw materials, and local regulations. If you have enough space and your state allows it, you can use your kitchen to make and bottle your tomato sauce. This can be a cost-effective option for small-scale operations. If using your kitchen is not feasible or allowed, you can consider leasing space in a commercial building. This space should be suitable for food preparation and should meet the health and safety regulations. The availability of tomatoes is a crucial factor in tomato sauce production. Consider locating your business in an area close to tomato farms or where tomatoes are readily available. This can help ensure a steady supply of fresh tomatoes and potentially reduce transport costs. Consider the location of your target market. If you plan to sell locally or regionally, it may be beneficial to locate your business in or near the target market area. This can help with distribution and building relationships with local shops and grocery store distributors. Research the competition and consider locating your business in an area where there is demand for tomato sauce but less competition. This can give you a competitive advantage and increase your chances of success. Other infrastructure such as roads must be considered between the raw materials manufacturing plant and market. It's important to conduct thorough research and consider various factors when choosing the location of your tomato sauce business. While I'm not a complete fan of business plans, I do believe they are good for one thing. They help you process and understand how the business will work in ideal circumstances. When you have an ideal and prepare for a worst-case scenario, then you can navigate the challenges and spaces you find in between to run the business at optimum. It will also, at the initial stages, help you formulate and schedule a goal sheet of the tasks that need to be done. If you would like a free business plan for processing tomatoes, stay tuned and I'll let you know how you can get one later in the video. To start a tomato sauce business, you will need to obtain certain licenses and certifications such as business licenses, inspection and permits from food safety and standard associations. Make sure to check with the relevant authorities or legal experts in your area to ensure you have all the required paperwork for your business. It's important to note that specific ingredients and quantities may vary depending on your recipe and personal preferences. Experimenting with different ingredients and flavor combinations can help you develop a unique and delicious tomato sauce recipe. The main ingredients for tomato sauce are tomatoes, sweeteners, vinegar, and spices. When you select your tomato, it is best to use a variety that has a sweet flavor, dense pulp, low acidity, and low seed count. Remember to comply with any food safety regulations and quality standards when sourcing and handling your raw materials. Ensuring the freshness and quality of your ingredients is crucial for producing a high-quality tomato sauce. Besides raw materials, you will need machinery to process the tomatoes. The specific machines needed will depend on your recipe and production process as well as personal preferences. Common machines used in tomato sauce production include crushers, separators, concentrators, sterilizers, and fillers. As your brand grows, you can expand your operations by adding on more machinery to manufacture other tomato-based products. I will also be releasing a video soon on a step-by-step guide on how to buy machinery online from China and India. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on that. Tomato sauce can be packaged in different ways depending on the volume, target market, and distribution channels. Here are some common packaging options for tomato sauce: flexible packaging, glass bottles, cans, and small packets. It is important to choose the packaging option that best suits your product and target market. Consider factors such as convenience, shelf life, and environmental impact when selecting your packaging materials. Invest in attractive and informative packaging for your tomato sauce. The packaging should reflect your brand identity and communicate the quality and uniqueness of your product. Consider using labels with your brand logo, product information, and any certifications or awards. Many people do not realize that there is a difference between branding and marketing. I will have an ebook out soon on branding and marketing. If you're interested in a free copy, type "free book" in the comment section. To effectively market and distribute tomato sauce, consider the following strategy. Create a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your tomato sauce. This can include online and offline marketing tactics. Some key marketing activities to consider are company website, social media, local shops and grocery stores, food festivals, and farmers markets, as well as online marketplaces. I will go into more detail in the ebook that I will be releasing soon, so make sure you subscribe and comment "free ebook" so you don't miss this limited offer. Determine the distribution channels for your tomato sauce. Some options to consider are retail stores, restaurants and food services, caterers, hotels, food markets and expos, as well as online marketplaces. Hey, if you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to ensure you don't miss out on any videos. Getting feedback, whether good or bad, from your customers is crucial, so you understand what your market needs and wants. Yes, there is a difference. Your product will not be perfect the first time round, but the aim is not perfection. The aim is to improve and innovate your product. Ensure that your tomato sauce is of high quality and consistent in state. This will help build a positive reputation and customer trust. Building customer trust will help develop brand loyalty in your product. This all comes back to building an evergreen, effective brand, but more of that in my ebook. And if tomato sauce isn't your thing, Look at these exciting products you can manufacture from the humble tomato. I hope this video has inspired you to start planning your tomato sauce business. Oh, speaking of plans, I did promise I would let you know where to get a free business plan. Visit bplans.com and edit your plan to suit your needs. I will add the link in the description box. Watch how you can process and can whole tomatoes or dried tomatoes in the video linked here. Remember, I believe in you.